everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you're new, please press the notification button, subscribe, share to your friends, comment. Guys, all right, so today we are here to do like a fake color hairstyle, a fake color hairstyle using a kinky afro hair, something of that sort. So for now, I'm actually getting my braid done, my cornrow all the way. So when we're done, we start with the color hair. I'm trying to make it look like I did put the color on my head. Meanwhile, it's a color hair that I put on in the form of crochet. So I did not know how I could do this, but this is the only way. Probably some people might do it in a single braid kind of, then trim it. Probably if you have like a low hair, then you use the kinky hair, then you like twist it, make it look like you just put a color. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm explaining here, but that was another way that someone could do. All right, so I'm almost done to do my cornrow. Yes, the cornrow is not that easy. It's not that fancy, but this is just a way to get to the level or to get to the kind of braid I'm trying to do. Don't hesitate to share, like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. All right, let's keep going.
Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas, make a left, go right. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas, make a left, go right. Ride the beat.
Let me show you some things. I can make it bang. 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 You should come over here and let me show you some things. You should come over here. Let me show you some things. You should come over here and let me show you some things. I can make it bang. I can make it bang. I can make it bang. I can make it bang.
One more time, say it loud, let me hear you say it. One more time, say it loud, let me hear you say it. One more time, say it again, say it again, say it again, say it again.
Okay, guys, so I have begun the crochet. Let's keep washing and see how it goes. It might be favorable to some of you. It might not be favorable. It might be something you like to do. It's just a way to make it feel like you tinted your hair or dye your hair, depending on how you call it. Some people call it tint, some people call it dye. So let's go and see how it goes. Keep watching, share, please look watch to the end, compliment, text or comment, let me know what I did and what I didn't do well. Guys, this is what I'm able to do, this is what I was capable of doing. guys. All right, keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
That you all to myself. Heartbeats for you. Heartbeats for you. Heartbeats for you. Bum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum.
Okay, now I'm done doing the crochet. So I just finished cutting off. This is how it look like. It looks like a collar head. So guys, this is how it looks. This is the final looks, guys. Final looks. Showing it all the way around. In the back side, it's not that colorful because my braid was short. So there's no way I could crochet to the back fully, just like the other part of the head. Guys, compliment, give me, say something, give me thumbs up. They did not insult me. This is how far I could go. Showing you all the way around, over and over. I didn't want to end the video because for me it really looks good. It looks good. I don't know about you, but this is how far I could try. Thank you guys. Don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye bye. Bye bye. Last more. Show up. Last more. Show up. Bye bye. Yeah. Bye guys.